Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today gonna have this Japanese makeup look. So let's get start this video.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so.
This is my all makeup product for Misho. First will we try LA Pro Concealer Tube Orange Corrector. This is apply this foundation of mask. And apply this white eyeshadow. Different shades lipsticks. This is my final look. I hope you are always like it. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.